It may indeed be fantasy when I, easy to draw from all created things, deep heartfelt inward joy that closely clings, and trace in leaves and flowers that round me lie, lessons of love and earnest piety. So let it be, and if the wild world rings in mock of this belief to me it brings, not fear, nor grief, nor vain perplexity, so will I build my altar in the fields, and the blue sky my fretted dome shall be, and the sweet fragrance that the wild flowers yields shall be the increase I will yield to thee, thee only God, and thou shalt not despise even me, the priest of this poor sacrifice. Did I miss some of the rhyme bits there? Sorry, Samuel.